Welcome to Calgary's well-kept secret, Riverstone, located in Cranston in southeast of Calgary. We have this beautiful 3-bedroom townhome, so let's go check it out. This executive townhome contains 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, boasts over 1,600 square feet above grade, comes with a double attached garage, also has engineered hardwood flooring, quartz countertops throughout the entire house, kitchen and the bathrooms, upgraded kitchen, and all the upgraded appliances that you require. When you're hanging in this living room, it's extremely spacious. You got natural light coming out right from the south sun, and also an entertainment suite meant for all your friends and family. This executive townhome has so much space on the upper floor, also facing the bow, which is going to be facing south in Calgary here. You have a fireplace, and you also have air conditioning for the warm days in Calgary.